Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn properties of a triangle. Already know that the geometry. Already we studied congruence of a triangles, isn't it? So okay. Now we are going to learn properties of a triangles. So now we see the problem solutions and problems. Find the value of x. Okay. Find the value of x. So triangles. So find the value of x. Triangle 4x degree, 54 degree and 42 degree. So find the value of x. So find the value of x. Okay. So solutions. So sum of the angles of the triangles value 180 degree. Sum of the angles of the value of sum of the angles of the triangles value 180 degree. So first we add all the degrees. So 4x degree, 42 degree and 54 degree. So add it. 4x degree plus 54 degree plus 42 degree. Sum of the angles of the triangles value 180 degree. Okay. So add it. So 54 plus 42 96 degree. 4x degree plus 96 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then next plus 96 transpose to right hand side. So minus 96. So 4x degree equal to 180 degree minus 96 degree. That implies 4x degree equal to 84 degree. 84 degree. Okay. So multiply transpose to division. So x degree equal to 84 degree divided by 4. So we got a value, cancel it, 21. So that implies x equal to 21 degree. Okay. So x value is 21 degree. That's all. Did you understand? Yes. So next, second sum, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay. 4x degree, 2x degree, 3x degree. Sum of the angles of the values 180 degree. So 2x degree plus 4x degree plus 3x degree. So sum of the angles of the triangles value 180 degree. So add it. So 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 3 9x. Okay. 9x equal to 180. So multiply transpose to division. So x equal to 180 divided by 9. We got a value x equal to 20 degree. X equal to 20 degree. Okay. Did you understand? Yes. Find the value of x and y. Okay. So triangle and adjacent angles, triangles. Okay. Solutions. So already angle B equal to 42 degree, angle C equal to 3x degree. Then outer angle is a 120 degree and interior angle is a y degree. So find the value of this side. Okay, find the value of first this side. So angle BAC. Angle BAC. So this one is a A, this one is a B. So this one is a C. So find the value of, first we find the value of angle A. So angle BAC. Angle BAC equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. So that this side, take this side. So 180 degree whole angles, isn't it? So whole angles. So 180 degree minus 126 degree. So answer, we got a value angle A. So First we find the value of A. Already found the value B and C, isn't it? So angle A equal to 54 degree. Okay. Then next sum of the all the angles. So now we find A. So sum of the all the angles, isn't it? So 54 degree. This angle is a 54 degree. Then next 54 degree plus 42 degree plus 3x degree equal to 180 degree. So add it. So 54 plus 42, 96 degree plus 3x degree equal to 180 degree. So 3x degree plus 96 transpose to minus 96. 180 degree minus 96 degree. Okay. So 3x degree, 3x equal to 84. So x equal to 84 divided by 3. So cancel it up. So we got a value 28. So x equal to 28 degree. Okay. Then next angle CAD. Angle CAD. So angle CAD means CAD. So equal to angle BCA. So it is a transversal angle. Already you know that. Yes. So Z angle. So this side angle is equal and this side is also equal. So angle BAD equal to angle CAD equal to angle BCA. Then next take angle CAD equal to 3x degree. So x degree value 28 degree. 3 into 28 degree equal to 84 degree. Already know that. So the next y degree. Find the value of y degree plus angle CAD equal to 180 degree. Sum of the two angles and three angles are 180 degree. Then next y degree plus 84 degree equal to 180 degree. So y equal to 180 degree plus 84 transpose to minus 84. So we got a value y equal to 96. Okay. So x value is 28 degree and y value is 96 degree. Do you understand? Next fourth sum. In the figure, BO and CO are bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB respectively. Angle A equal to 68 degree. Angle ABC equal to 62 degree. Find angle OCB and BOC. Okay. So first we find the value. So already we studied BO and CO are bisector. So already given that. Okay. So BO and CO are bisectors. Then next angle ABC and angle ACB respectively. Angle ABC and angle ACB are respectively. So angle A equal to 68 degree. Angle A equal to 68 degree. So this side 68 degree. Then next angle ABC equal to 62 degree. So angle A value 60 degree. So angle B, so that this side angle B. So angle B equal to 62 degree. Find the value of angle OCB and BOC. Okay. So next solutions. Angle BAC. Angle BAC. Then next angle ABC plus angle ACB. Sum of the three angle is 180 degree. Okay. So angle A value. So center of the angle is a angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay. Then take angle A value 68 degree. Angle B value 62 degree. So find the value of angle C. So angle ACB. Center of the angle is we find. Okay. We will find 180 degree. Then next angle. So add it. 68 degree plus 62 degree 130 degree. Plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Okay. So angle C value ACB equal to 50 degree. Then angle C equal to 50 degree. Okay. Then next BO is a bisectors. Okay. BO is a bisectors. So bisector means split the angles. Okay. Bisectors means split the angles. So BO is a bisector of ABC. BO is a bisector of angle ABC. And CO is a bisector of CO is a bisector of angle ACB. Okay. So CO is a bisector of angle ACB. Okay. Then next angle OBC. So angle OBC means half a triangle. Okay. Angle OBC. Triangle OBC equal to 1 by 2 into 62. 1 by 2 into 62 degree. So cancel it. So 31. So angle B equal to 31 degree. Then next angle OCB equal to 1 by 2 into 50 degree. So cancel it. 25 degree. Okay. Then next angle OBC plus angle OCB. Then next angle BOC equal to 180 degree. So add it. So already we find the value of angle B, angle C. Okay. So 31 degree plus 25 degree plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Then that implies 56 degree. 31 plus 25 56. So plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle BOC equal to 124 degree. Okay. So angle ACB, angle BOC value are we find angle ACB value 50 degree and angle BOC value 124 degree. Fifth one. One of the angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the remaining two angles. Find the measures of this angle. So, solutions. One of the angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the remaining two angles. So, let the angles of the triangles be measured xy. Let the angles be xyz. Let the angles be x, y, z. Okay. So sum of the one of the angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the remaining two angles. Okay. So any one angles. First we take x angles. X angles equal to sum of the two angles. Okay. That is all equal. So y plus z. So y plus z. Next one, angle x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So this one is an angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Then next, so x plus already we studied, y plus z value also x equal to 180 degree. Y plus z value x. So 2x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 2 is multiplied transpose to division 180 degree divided by 2. We got a value 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree. Then next, hence the measures of the angles is 90 degree. Measures of the angle is 90 degree. Okay. Next one, find the sum of the angles of a pentagon ABCDE. Okay. So this one is a pentagon. Then draw a line A to C. Then next draw a line A to D. Okay, A to D. Then next, this one is a B, C, D, E. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one 5. This side is a 3. This side is a 5. So this triangle is having a number 1, 2, 3. Then another triangle is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9. Then next, join AC and AD. Solutions. Join AC and AD. Then next, we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Sum of the three angles values 180 degree. Next one, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Sum of the three angles value 180 degree. Then next, angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 equal to 180 degree. All the angles are added. Adding all angles. Adding all angles of three triangles. So, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 7. Angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5. Okay. Then next, angle 6 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 equal to, so add it at 3, 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree. So 540 degree. So angle A, this one, angle 2 is angle B, angle 3 plus angle 5 is angle C, angle 6 and angle angle 8 is angle D. plus angle 9 is a angle E. So totally we got a value 540 degree. So pentagon value 540 degree. Do you understand? Next sum, find the value of x. Okay, triangle 50 degree, 78 degree and exterior angle is x degree. So first solutions. So exterior angle, find the value of exterior angle x degree. X degree equal to 78 degree plus 50 degree. Okay, so x equal to 128 degree. 128 degree. So exterior angle value 180 degree. Find x in the degree. Okay, so triangle. So this one is a triangle 10 8x. Okay, solutions. This one is a right angle triangle. The given triangle is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, so 10 square equal to 8 square plus x square. Okay, so right angle triangle formula, AC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So AC square value 10 square, AB square value 8 square. Find the value of AC square, x square. Okay, so 8 square plus x square equal to 10 square. So 8 square value 64 plus x square is equal to 100. So plus 64 transfers to minus 64. So 100 minus 64, we got a value 36. So x square equal to 36. That implies x square is equal to 6 6 36. So 6 square, that one square cancel, x equal to 6. X equal to 6 units.